previous videos, we are just going through the chapter number 7, that is factorization. We have reached up to the exercise 7C. Okay, let us see exercise 7C, question number 4. Exercise 7C, question number 4. From that, we will do any of the three. Okay, so here, how we have to factorize this? We know that the sum of two constants is equal to, here this formula, we know that if I write over here x plus a, x plus b is given, then we know x square plus a plus b x plus a into b. Here the sum and here the product. So according to that, first of all, the first we will do is d, that is x square minus 9x plus 14. X square minus 9x plus 14. Let us see that here. First we have to see what is here. You can see there is a sign of minus. But here, what first of all we have to do? First of all, we have to factorize 14. That is 2 sevens and 7 ones. So here you can see two factors are there. That is 7 and 2. So 7 plus 2, it will be 9. Yes, and 7 twos are, it will be 14. But you can see here there is a minus sign given over here. So how we will do is, here I can write this x square plus minus 7 minus 2x, not a bracket over here. Okay, minus 7 minus 2, that is minus plus, but the sign will remain minus, plus here minus 7 into minus 2. Here also minus it will be plus, and 7 twos are 14, but here it will be plus 14. Why? Because here it is product and here it is addition subtraction. So we can write this as x minus 7 and x minus 2. Yes or not, student? X minus 7 and x minus 2. Wow. Yes, you can also verify this by multiplying x with this bracket and then after minus 7 with this bracket, and you will get your answer, which is x square minus 9x plus 14. Okay, this is your first sum. Going towards the second, that is, we will do is f. Here we will do is f, that is x square minus 17x minus 60. X square minus 17x minus 60. Okay, so how we will do this? We know the how to do, that is this. In this way we have to do. Okay, students. Now, first of all, we have to take the factors of 60, that is 2 30s are 2 15s are 3 5s are, not 5 3s are 3 5s are, and 5 1s are. So you can see the factors over here, that is 5 3s are 15 plus 15 2s are 30 32s are 16. Okay, now we have to do like this, that the product will be 60 and the addition or subtraction will be 17. Then I can say 2 2s are 4, 4 3s are 12. 12 plus 5, that is 17. Okay, 12 plus 5, that is 17. But there is a mistake. You see here, here is also minus and here is also minus. Then what we have to do? You can see the minus sign both. And now, if I say this, if we take out the product like this, then 60 is equal to 1 into 60 2 into 30, then after 3 into 20, then after 4 ones are 4 5s are 20, 4 into 4 5s are 24, sorry, 4 ones are 4 and 2 remaining, that is 4 5s are, that is 15, 4s are 60, then after 5 if we take 5 into 5 ones are 5 2s are 20, 12 5s are, then after 6, that is 6 into 10, then after 7 not 8 not 9 not 10 not. So here you can see which of this if we just do, then we will get the minus 17 as sum and minus 60 as product. So I can say this one, yes or no? I can say this one. Why? 20 minus 3, that is 70. Why? Because minus 20, because here is also minus sign and here is also minus sign. If here it was plus sign, then we have to take both minus. We have to take both minus. Okay, students. Now, if it was that, then we have to do like this one. But in this case, we will do this one. So here writing again x square minus 17x minus 60. So I can write here x square minus, sorry, plus 3 minus 20x. Why here minus 20? Because there is here minus and minus, 3. If we will take minus 320, then we will get plus 17 answer. But we want minus 17 as your answer. So minus will be at here and plus 3 into minus 20. 3 into minus 20. So now you will get your answer, that your answer will be x plus 3 and x minus 20 will be your answer. Please write down this, students, that is F. And moving towards the another example, that is I. So here the I, that is x square plus 4x minus 45. Okay, so how we will do this one? Okay, how we will do this one? So here you can see, here is plus sign and here is minus sign. First of all, you have to see signs only, nothing else. So if here it is plus sign and here it is minus sign, then one will be negative and one will be positive. Okay, so here first of all, finding the factors of 45, that is 1 into 45, 2 will not there, 3, yes, 3 ones are 3, 3 5s are 15, then 4 no, 5, yes, 5 9s are 45, and 6 not, 7 not, 8 no, 9, yes, it is there. So we have 3 options over here, and here we have to take one negative. So I can take this one. Why? Because 9 minus 4, that 9 minus 5, that is 4, and 9 5s are 45. Yes or no, students? So how we will do? Which one will be plus and which one will be minus? Here you can see there is plus 4, so we have to take bigger number as plus and smaller number as negative. So taking over here x square plus 4x minus 45, then x square plus 9 minus 5x plus what will be there? 9 into minus 5. Okay, 9 into minus 5, so you will get your answer, that is x plus 9 and x minus 5. Okay students, so this will be your answer. Please note down this. And here question number 5 is cutted. Okay, and also question number 6 is also cutted. Exercise 7C, question number 5 and 6 are cut. Okay students, are cut. Please note down this students. And we will move further, that is more factorization. Factorization of a trinomial of the form ax square plus bx plus c. Okay, let us do that. Over this side, the remaining all the things, question number 4 sum that you have to do in your homework. Okay students, here more factorization of that. Factorization of a trinomial of the form ax square plus bx plus c. Okay, ax square plus bx plus c. So for that there is an example given here. You can see that is example number 39 that I am just writing over here. Example number 39, that is factorize 2x square plus 13x plus 20. So it is given. So how we will solve this? Here also we will do the same. What we will do? We will do the same which we have done before. Okay, here it will be 22s are, we have to multiply this both. 20 into 2, that is 40. So we will find the factors of 40. So what will be the factors of 40? 1 into 40, 2 into 20, 3 will not work, 4 into 10, then after 5, 8s are 40, then after 6 will not come, 7 will not come, then coming directly with 8. So here first of all we have to multiply this 20 and 2. This both is to be multiplied by each other, and then after we have to find the factors of it, and then after what we have to do, here you can see the addition of these two should be 13 and the product should be 20 into 2, that is 40. So we can say that 5, 8 is that 8 5s are 14, 8 plus 5, that is 13. Yes or no students? Yes. So here I can write this 2x square plus 13x plus 20 is equal to now 2x square plus 5x plus 8x plus 20. Yes or not student? Yes, I can write this 5x plus 8x, that is 13. Now moving forward to, if now we will this do according to the group, we will build up two groups, and here you can see what is common, 2x. Okay, so here it will be x plus, here it will be, no, 2 will not there. Okay, here it will be 2x the x is only common, so here it will be x, 2x, then after what will be there, here it will be 5, 2x plus 5, and here we will take also 4 common, that is 4 2s are 8x and 4 5s are 20. Okay, so we will get the two brackets that are x plus 4 and 2x plus 5. So in this way you have to do this kind of sum. Please note down this, students, and we will move further. And also we can take this 8 here and 5 over here. Then let us see what happens. Here you can see 2x square plus 8x plus 5x plus 20. Your answer will be same only. Okay, students, here what will be in common? 2x, that is what? Here it will be x plus 2 4s are 8. Okay, then after plus 5, here it will be x, 5 4s are 20, and you can see you will get the same answer, that is 2x plus 5 and x plus 4. Okay, this is your answer. Please note down this. You can do any of this. This both are same only. You can see both the answers are same. And moving forward to the example number 14. So example number 40, that is factorize 8a square minus 22ab plus 15b square. So how we will do this one? So first of all we have to multiply 15 with 8, and then after we have to take out the factors of it. Let us do that. So 15 into 8, that is 80 plus 40. 8 5 are 40, 8 1 are 8, so that is 120. So we have to take out the factors of 120. So 120 is equal to 1 into 120, 2 into 60, 3 into 40. Then after 4 into 30, and then after 5 into 5 2s are 10 and 5 4s are 20. Then after 6 2s are okay, and then after 7 will not there, I think 7 1s are 7. How many? 50? No, it will be not there. 8 let us see about 8, that is 120, 8 1s are 8, here it will be 40, 8 5s are 40, yes. 8 into 15, then 9 will not there, then 10 will be 10 into 12, then after 11 not 12, yes. Now we have to take all the factors of it, and we have to see which one is suitable by adding or subtracting this with 22. What should be added or subtracted? Then we will get answer 22. I am thinking about this one. 10 plus 12, that is 22. Okay, students, 10 plus 12, that is 22. 15 plus 8, that is 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23. Here it will be 23, but here it will be 22. So our factors of this sums are 10 and 12. Okay, 10 and 12. So here, writing it, 8a square minus 22ab plus 15b square. Okay, now here 8a square, here it is minus sign and here it is plus sign. So what should be there? It should be minus 10ab 10ab plus, sorry, minus 12ab minus 12ab plus 15b square. Okay, plus 15b square. Now let us take it out common, that is 2 here it will be 2 common, that is 2a, sorry, 2a, not 2 only, 2a, 2a, that is 2 4 8 and a as it is, and then after here it will be sign of minus, here it is minus, so 2 5 and b. Okay, then after here we can take it out, that is 3b, yes, it will be 3b. Then here it will be what, 3 4 12 and a as it is plus. Okay, no, not plus, here we have taken out the minus common, so here it will be minus 3 5 15b. Okay, so you can see here we have got two bracket, that is 2a minus 3b, and the another bracket, that is 4a minus 5b. Okay, so this is our answer. Please note down this, students. And example number 41 over here, 41 example number. Example number 41, that is 10a square minus 83a. Example number 41, that is 10a square minus 41a. 10a square, sorry, 10a square minus 83. 83a plus, not plus, here is also another time minus, minus 17. So first of all, what we have to do, we have to product of this and this, that is 170. So finding out the factors, that is 1 into 170, 2 into 2 8s are 16, 2 5s are 10, 3 will not work, 4 1s are 4, remaining 3, 4, no, not 4, 5 here. But you can see we want 83 and here it is 83, I think so. We can 85 minus, that is 2, that is 83. Okay, students, now 5 into 5, 3s are 15, 2 remaining, 5 4s are 20. Then after 6, we will not see 6, I think this one will work. 85 and 85 into 2, that is 170. Let us see that it works or not. So 10a square minus 83a minus 70. So here 10a square, here it is minus, so minus, here we will take plus 2a minus 85a minus 17. Okay, minus 17. Why we have take here minus? Because here we want minus sign. Okay, then now here we will take the 2 common, that is 2a. Okay, 2a it will be common, then 2 5s are 10. Okay, that is 10a plus, here it will be 1. Okay, and then after we will take here minus 17 as common, so we will take 17 5s are 85a plus 1. Why? Because minus it will be plus, over here we have take minus as common. So our two brackets are 2a minus 17 and 5a plus 1. So this is our answer. Please note down this, students. And in your homework, what we will do is exercise 7C, question number 4, remaining sum. And example number 42. Just try at your home, and also exercise 7D you can also try that. And in next video what we will do from exercise 7D, we will solve 4 to 5 sums. Okay, and in this video we will just end this video and we will meet in the next video. Okay, bye students.